Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's begin to solve this math problem. Here first we have to work this. And 4 over 5 multiplied by 5. Here we can easily cancel this 5 and this 5. It equals 4. And 16 divided by 4, it equals 4. But this is not correct answer. If you say why, I will try to explain it. Because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority. That's why we have to begin to work from the left to the right. And according to this rule, first we have to work this. And here we have to use KCF rule. K stands for keep, C stands for change, F stands for flip. Here, first, according to this rule, first we have to keep the first number 16 and we have to change division to multiplication according to this rule, and we have to flip 4 over 5, and when we flip it, it equals 5 over 4 and multiplied by 5. And here first we do this, we can easily cancel this 16 and 4. Here it equals 4 and 4 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. And first we have to work this. 4 multiplied by 5, it equals 20 multiplied by 5. And 20 multiplied by 5, it equals 100. This is our correct and final answer. We can copy this answer here. Answer is 100. That's all. Thank you. Subscribe my channel.